Good day, sir. I'm Charlie M. Fernandez, 22 years old, from Barangay Liberty, Palampon, Leyte, BIS INT 3A Automotive. It cannot be legalized because here in Philippines, same-sex marriage is not legal because in our country, government is in union with the church. Most of the law we have are based on the Bible. Bible tell us that there are only two genders, the male and female, destined to marry. The same as same-sex marriage cannot be legalized in our country because abortion is a crime. Killing an innocent and defenseless child is against moral law. Ethically speaking, it is wrong because it violated the divine and human law.